Imagine waking up to see money deposited into your account without you doing anything to earn it. That's the magic of building income-generating assets. Today, I'll show you the 3 powerful levels of income that can change your life. Level 3 will amaze you. Watch to the end and don't forget to hit subscribe. So, let's dive in. The first level, which is the starting point, is active income. This is where most people are, which is the starting point. This is where you trade your time for money. Think barbers, mechanics, teachers, and employees. It comes with limitations. If you fall sick or stop working, the money stops too. It's an income, not an asset. That's why you need to level up to levels 2 and 3. Remember, in all toil there is profit, but mere talk tends only to poverty. Proverbs 14:23. Next, we have semi-passive income. This is where you create something once, like an ebook, online courses, digital products, or a YouTube video, and it keeps earning for you over time. Cast your bread upon the waters, for after many days you will find it again. Ecclesiastes 11:1. Finally, we have the pinnacle of income, reputation and influence. At this level, simply having your name and connections can generate income for you, without you referencing to work at all. Build trust and value and watch the doors open. A good name is more desirable than great riches. Proverbs 22. By creating and investing in the right assets, you can grow your wealth and eventually become a high net worth individual. The people you know is a factor that determines your net worth in life. The goal is to build assets that work for you while you sleep and escape the rat race. So hit that subscribe,
like, share, and comment.